Welcome. Yep, three artists just working together and having a great time painting. James came in to visit and be supportive. Here's Cali, very focused. Here's me contemplating on a photo. It's amazing when three artists come together and they're all have a blank canvas. They all have paint. And everybody just expresses and interprets things so differently. It's really nice to see how different people approach the whole creative process. And I wanted to share with you that. So that's why I made this video. Go Cali. Go Cali. It's just fun making friends and painting and being creative together. Everyone interprets things differently and we all have our own impulses. And it's just fun. What can I say? It's live, love art. And please comment and share what you think and try to add a little smile. Yeah, have a beautiful day, and I hope that you're creative and expressing kindness and warmth in the way you move through the world.